I want to show you how to create wall collider for our scene. First we need to create a cube as a wall collider. Don't use plan, the cube is better. This is our wall collider. Nice. Now you need to export this wall collider into your scene. Okay, export here. From here you need to use proper import setting. First you need to find proper size. Good. Now from easy road, create wall collider. Procedural mesh. You can add mesh collider. Now you can select your target wall side object, and from marker side object setting, first you need to enable here wall collider. As you can see, wall collider size is not proper, so you can open wall collider setting, open mesh editor. You can apply settings to see the oh hey, this solution not works. You can drag here, rotate your model, create prefab, and use the new prefab as a side object. Rotate prefab. Okay, I hope this works properly. Okay, as you can see, you need to rotate the correct position, rotation. Now we just need to change correct position. Okay, now we have a proper wall collider. This is for when the car want to jump here, from here to here. Now with this collider, we don't allow the car to jump outside of the side object. You can add mesh collider by here, or manually select and add mesh collider. For example, you can select this one and manually add mesh collider with ice option. Or you can select your side object, fins, and add mesh collider from here. Now we have mesh collider automatically for our side object. As you can see, the wall collider now works well. We have easily wall collider without mesh renderer. Now everything looks good. You can add mesh collider manually for this object. Select this one, add wall collider. As you can see, adding wall collider is a very easy task. Okay, I hope this will be useful to you. Also, you can manually add wall colliders. For example, you want to block the here, you can easily manually paint wall collider and disable mesh render. Everything is very easy by Easy Road 3D. This is a road blocker. I hope this video is useful to you.